How to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. So if you want to get the streak feature on TikTok, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, go for the search and search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, if you have any updates under your TikTok, then simply tap on update and update your TikTok application. Once you've updated, you will have the streak feature. So if you've not updated, then you will not find the streak feature. So make sure to update it. And once you've updated, now you can go back and open up your TikTok application and you will have that streak feature. But even after updating, if you don't have the streak feature, then what you need to do is open up your TikTok application. And once you open up your TikTok, now go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're in the settings and privacy, you need to go for the account, and under account you will have an option of account region. So if you have an option of account region, then you can simply go for it, or you can simply have that option on your account information. So tap on account region, and here you need to go and change your account region. And once you've changed your account region, your problem will be fixed and you will have the TikTok streak feature on your TikTok. So that's how you can fix TikTok streak feature not showing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.